Hey guys, Ketan again. Let's change some bits today. So the problem that we are solving today is servant, and the problem code is FLOW008. This is a beginner level practice problem from CodeChef. Let's get into the problem statement. Write a program which takes an integer n, and if the number is less than 10, then display what an obedient servant you are, otherwise print -1. Right. So this is just a problem to check if you know the inputs and outputs of this language. Yeah, so that's pretty straightforward. I don't even need to explain much other than the syntax of input and output, I guess. So let's see if we have test cases. Yeah, we do have test cases. So let's take int of input so that we'll get the input returns a string, so we are converting the string into integer, right? 3 is actually taken as string, but we have to convert it into integer, so we are using the int function. Then for I in range of t, n equals to int of input again, and then if n is greater than 10, is it greater than or greater than equal to? Okay, so it's less than, right? If it is less than 10, we have to print something. We'll just take this directly so that we don't have any small typos over there. Even spaces are important, so that's why I'm taking we're just copying the string. Else we are printing -1. Okay guys, so that's it. We just print the string out. There's nothing more to it. Let's check it against the input that they gave. What an obedient servant you are, -1, what an obedient again. Right, that's perfectly fine. So let's just submit it. There we go, correct answer. Alright guys, so this is actually a for loop. For I in range of t means range of t means 0 to t minus 1. So this will be iterating over the numbers from 0 to t minus 1. So I will be 0 first, and then 1, and then 2, and so on. If the t value is 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the values of 1 in each iteration. Okay guys, so this is just used to run through the test cases so that we can gather all the inputs, right? So if you have any doubts, please shoot them in the comment section. I'll try to answer them as much as I can. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you don't like the video, hit the dislike button, and share it with your friends so that you can help your friend learn something new. And if you want to see more coding content, you can subscribe to the channel. I'll also be doing some coding from coding contests like TCS Code Vita, Google Code Jam, or something like that. Yeah, thank you guys.